Hey guys, it is let's check. It is the 21st. It is a Tuesday. We did 2 hours of work, and we did quite a bit. Well, we said we did quite a bit, but we'll see. We took down a lot. We pretty much finished up the demolition for the most part. We just have to take down a couple ceilings and the last bathroom. Um, well, and the other bathroom too, actually, now that I think about it. But we'll get to it. Let's go over what we did. So we finished up with this. I think you guys saw this last time. We finished up, but there were two panels here that we took down. We haven't taken down the panels over here yet because of that. Have to figure out how to take that off, but we're just leaving that for now. We took down the ceiling and everything there. We took down that light right there. Now it's open over here, and you can see like the kind of roof structure there, and you can see up to the second floor right there. We took down the fan that was here, and it's now in this garbage can. Like that motor right there, you can see it. And this is the light that was in the kitchen. But I'm gonna take down the ceiling next, and all the installation behind it, and all that. And then all the ceiling will be done except for the bathroom over here. In this bathroom, we took down this entire wall, so now that's open. So now it's open, and we also took down the ceiling tiles and light in this room as well. We have to take out the sink next, and this thing, and then the paneling, and then the toilet last. And then this room will be done too. Let's see. The rest of the house is pretty much the same. We took out the breakers because had a little shock while taking out that fan over there. And this room, nothing changed here. Upstairs, we took down some of the ceiling in here. So we took down all the tiles over here and the light that was right there. And then all the rest of the tiles in this room. So there used to be ceiling tiles here that we took down, as well as the light over there. We also removed the carpets that were left over in the different closets. So now this is finally done. I started taking down some of the framing of the stairs. You can see I still have to take this middle one down. But yeah, last thing is probably just going to be the ceiling over here, as well as the bathroom over here. Started taking out the drywall here. Just got to finish up over just like this random bits of drywall. This cast iron tub is going to be a pain to remove. It's like, what? I'm guessing like what, 50 pounds ish. So don't know how I'm going to move that. I can't cut it in half either because this thing is like solid iron. So that's gonna be tough. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Another day, I think we have another like 2 days of demo, and then I'll be done. And then it'll be time to start the actual construction. My zoning just got approved, so I'm gonna head over to the zoning office, pay my $75. And then I will have to lock in a contractor for the actual construction permits, because you have to like write their name down on it or something like that. Yep. I think that's it. Cool. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.